Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you step by step how you can convert a PDF file into JPG from your laptop or mobile. From your laptop, first open Chrome or any other browser and type convert PDF to JPG I love PDF in there. Multiple websites will appear in front of you. Some of them are paid while some are for free. So why pay when you can get the same thing for free? On this page, the first one called ilovepdf.com is for free, so let's tap on that. Now you can see there is a red box with select PDF file written on it. We will click on it and select the PDF file we want to turn into a JPG file. Let's choose this one. The file has been attached. Now click on convert to JPG from here. The PDF file is being converted to JPG. This can sometimes take a second. Now here we have it saying that we can download our JPG images. So we will click on it and wait for a few seconds and a zip file will appear in the downloads of our laptop. Here you can see it. Now double click on the zip file and you will get a folder of pictures. Here it is. The PDF has been converted to JPG format pictures. You can zoom in and out to read the text clearly. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if it did.